Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to generate a random number using Power Query. First, let's load the data into Power Query editor. Click on the data reader option and then from table option. Once the data is loaded, we need to create a custom column by clicking add column option here and then custom column. First, we will name the column and then enter the function here which is number.random. Open the parenthesis, close it, click on OK. As you can see, a new column is added to the table. The random number is also generated successfully, but the problem we have here is the random number is same for all the rows. In order to fix it, we will go one step back and then click on index column and create an index column. Once the index column is created, then we will select the next step. Now the random number is different for all the rows. Let's load the data back into the sheet and see how the data looks like. Now select the area where you would like the data to be reflected in the existing sheet and then click on OK and load it. As you can see, the data is loaded, but the problem we had earlier is the same. The random number is same for all the rows. In order to fix it, we will go back to the edit query. Now this time we will create another index column, but this time we will create it in the end. Let's load the data back into the sheet. As we can see, the random number is now generated successfully for all rows are different. If you would like to get rid of this index column, you can go back to the editor, edit the query, select the index columns by pressing Ctrl button, right click on it, remove columns, and then load the data back into the sheet. Now the random number is generated successfully and index columns are also not there. In case if you like to generate numbers between a range, how to do that? Load the data into the Power Query editor. Add a custom column. This time we will be using a different function. Name the column. The function is number dot random between. Let's get rid of this first number. Open the parenthesis. The range starts from and range the highest number of the range. Close the parenthesis, click on OK. The random number is generated successfully, but the problem we have here is the decimal numbers are also coming. In order to fix it, we just click here and change the data type to whole number. Now the data range is between 1 to 10. Let's load the data back into the sheet. Select the area where you would like this data to be loaded at. Click on OK. Load. As you can see, the random number is generated successfully. Let's copy some data and add it to the original data set and add few more rows. Now let's refresh the output. What you can see here is the newly added rows are also reflecting in the output with the new random numbers. If you will refresh it again, then the random numbers are also changed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe the channel.